Hey everyone, I'm Jeff. I'm going to show you how to make your Toyota RAV4 brighter. This is the 2025 RAV4 XLE. Some of your RAV4 trim levels, the lower trim levels like XLE, LE, XLE Premium, they're going to have halogen bulbs for turn signals, so that might be something that you want to upgrade to make it a lot brighter. And you can do that with Lasfit lights. That's right, Lasfit LED bulbs. We're going to change the turn signals, we're going to change the backup lights. Let's go ahead and back this one up so you can see the backup lights. We'll go forward and then we'll back it up. Can also see the turn signal. What do you think? The Lasfit choices we have right here, we've got the backup lights. I've labeled them backup to make it easy for you to see. These are 300% brighter than the halogen bulbs, and two different kinds. We've got I put the front turn, these are the switchbacks, see they're orange and yellow, and these ones are the traditional ones. So these will be, if the turn signal's here, they're gonna be just straight, same color. These ones are gonna be white daytime running lights, amber turn signals. The first thing you want to know is the easy installation. They're 5-minute plug and play. So we're just going to switch out. We got the turn signal that we're going to take out right here. Go ahead and we'll take out one of these switchback bulbs. You're going to be impressed with this one. Again, it's orange and yellow. Just go ahead, pop it in. If it doesn't work this way, then flip it around and it'll work just fine. So we'll just take this in, run right in here and in. I'm going to turn on the turn signal and then we'll know immediately, because if it flashes fast, I got to flip it around. Yep, pop it out, flip it around, and now it'll work. Now let's turn it on again. See how easy this is. There we go. The traditional light, LED daytime running lights. The Lasfit light, see, it's the switchback. It's going to be the white LED daytime running light, but watch this. Now it flips to the LED very bright light. Watch this. Traditional, Lasfit. This is nice because it's the soft lighting. Even though it's 500% brighter than traditional halogens, it's soft light, so it's not going to dazzle or blind other drivers as they're coming by. They're just going to marvel at it. And to get that light changed out on the passenger side, we can see the overhead view. It's going to be right down here. You see the bulb right there, and it's just a matter of reaching your hand in and turning this one counterclockwise like that, pulling it out, and then replacing it by putting in the new Lasfit one like that. And then in the back, I've gone ahead and switched out one of the halogen turn signals with a Lasfit one, and I've switched out one of the halogen backup lights with the Lasfit. Let's see the results. Would you rather have this, the turn signal that comes with something like an LE, an XLE, XLE Premium, or would you rather swap it out easily, 5-minute plug and play, for this LED light right here? This one or the Lasfit upgrade? The stock halogen front turn signal or the Lasfit upgrade? Wow, what a difference. So now we've got the stock one here. Let's check this one out. Is this going to be what you'd choose? It's fine, but in a day when we want everybody to see us a little bit easier, maybe we want brighter. Yes, absolutely. This is the way to go right here. 500% brighter. We're going to choose the Lasfit. I recommend you click that link today. Now it's time to test the backup lights. A lot of people don't realize that from the factory stock, some other vehicles are going to have the yellowed halogen backup lights. Let's test it out and see the difference. Look for Lasfit, the white one. Oh, the white stuff. Da, 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 da. Okay, let's back it up. You notice how I did New Kids on the Block and Weird Al Yankovic in the same video? It's hard to do. Which one do you like better, the yellow or the white? And yes, we're gonna do a low lighting test here. We're gonna see the turn signal in the front. Do we want 500% brighter? Absolutely. Take a look at the brightness here. It really stands out and makes an incredible first impression as people are driving toward you. Lasfit on the right, halogen on the left. It's dramatic, right? It's so noticeable. Now we're going to test out the back. We've got a halogen stock factory turn signal right here. It's just fine. There's nothing wrong with it, but we could do better. We could do 500% brighter in back too. Let's see them both at the same time. See, that makes a big, big difference when you see them together at the same time in low light. Which one is your victor? And what do we know about Lasfit? Well, for one thing, 4,000 lumens per pair, so it's bright, but again, it's that soft lighting, so it's not gonna blind other drivers. 30,000 hour long lifespan. An intelligent temperature control designed to flexibly adjust temperature and prevent overheating and current overload. It's got the upgraded decoder system, so yep, no hyperflash, no error messages. Thanks very much for watching. What do you think? Are you in favor of brightening your RAV4? This can work with the current generation all the way up to 2025, and I'm sure Lasfit will have accessories as the 2026 comes along. What you can do to brighten it right away though, go to the Lasfit website. I've got the product link and my discount code so you can save money. We've got to save bucks here. Big bucks, no whammies, stop. Lasfit, woohoo! All right, and that's gonna be also in the first pinned comment so you can easily click on that link and check it out on your RAV4. Thanks everybody so much. Peace, see you next time. And if you're looking for more RAV4 content, remember I've got my playlist that's RAV4, well over 100 videos, including the next gen. So check those out. And if you like different Toyota models, check those playlists out too. Thanks, bye.